what are you doing? It's 2 o'clock in the morning.
We just happen to be in the neighborhood.
Yeah, you got any candy?
I'm making some now, but I told you, it takes a while. You have to neutralize the sugar and pectin during the gestation period and...
How long?
About 3 hours.